guys, welcome to the channel. You know, it's Tisha. We're not going to go through all the formalities. This is part 2. So we are about to go ahead and get back into it and finish off the rest of these when animals go on a rampage. Thank you guys for coming back for part 2. And if this is your first time to my channel, you need to pause this video and go hit part 1 and then come back so you can get everything that we got up until this moment. It was good. Okay, it was good. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Let's see what we got on this water.
Oh! 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 I got that on video. Holy!
I missed something because like, what did he see? Oh, gravy. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Oh! Oh!
Oh, no wonder he's yelling like that. That could have took all of them down. I'm sorry, I realized that you can barely hear me when I'm talking and the video's playing. That would have taken that whole boat out. Look how close they are to land, though. Like, that is wild. Oh, wow, Mr. Big Whale.
You got your fish on?
This scene made me think that the deer was fleeing from some dark force in the forest.
What are they doing?
Even in the zoo, lions would never forget their wild nature.
Waiting to prey on you. Boy, baby.
Just another day in Australia.
Look at my dog. Choke holding the dog.
You always have to be mentally prepared to deal with...
Wait. Wait, I was not ready for him to throw hands at this man. Why is he built like this? Oh, kangaroos. Oh, wow.
Kangaroos when going out.
He is... Okay, I'm sorry if we keep going back, guys, but look at him. He is built as F.
Look at my dog.
You always have to be mentally prepared to deal with kangaroos when going out.
Look at that. He built bigger than some dude walking around here. Like his little 4 months old. Like, yo, he isn't a human. That is the weirdest shit.
The lion's intention was thwarted by the zookeeper.
Wow.
Yo, get out of here.
Last time we took about a minute or 2.
Who is knocking? I was taking a nap.
That is crazy, dude.
This is what happens when you encounter a level 1 Pidgeot without a Pokemon.
Hey! 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 Ah! Hey!
Come on! Oh.
This guy tested the patience of the bear by locking himself in an iron cage.
It's almost like he doesn't like it.
The hunger of this animal is no joke.
Scary to see that they fight each other.
Get back. What made this camel so angry?
Food. Yeah, you better get back because he gonna tear your car apart.
If you want to attract seagulls at the beach, just bring along a box full of food.
Oh God, and it's not covered up. No way. You can have that.
Don't worry, the octopus is just trying to escape from here.
He's going to. He's big as hell. Huh?
It seems like the Lion King movie has made the relationship between lions and hyenas more distant.
Oh my God.
the salon had an unwelcome guest. Not only did it chase the owner out, but it also damaged the store's entrance.
Oh, man.
I like how he tries different angles and body parts to fit in his beak. The fishermen had to stop their fishing trip after being attacked by sharks. The shark hit so hard that it nearly knocked them out of the canoe.
Oh my gosh!
They want you, and you want them.
This wasn't someone's decorative piece. It was a spiderweb rain found in Bali, Indonesia. Call this.
Please, can we just go back? I'm not going back because I don't want to see that again. What does Bali got going with them? That was
Fish
too
the
much.
robber because it successfully snatched the man's glasses.
What? Oh no, I'm gonna have to hit that spider thing. Nope.
Call this fish the robber because it successfully snatched the man's glasses.
Yes.
The eagle is known as the king of the sky because of its size and strength. But this king was quite mischievous and wanted to join in the game. This hotel was designed for guests to ski straight to their rooms. That's why this mountain lion could show up in the lobby. This unlucky warthog lost its guard and got too close to the rhino. It didn't expect the rhino to react so fast.
Oh man, like he got good big horns. He's mean. Woo!
The swan was like, "Are you new here, boy? You better know who's the boss here."
You better move your dog.
Because the employee forgot to close the pen, around 100 ostriches raced through the streets. The rampage of these giant birds left locals feeling alarmed.
I'm not sure if them folks had ever seen. Oh my God! Now the movie done just eluded my whole self. Jumanji. The original one with our boy Robin Williams, or the latest ones. Oh my gosh, that is what that gave me so much. Fuck off!
Got ice cream in there. I do not want it. No? Ice cream in there?
In there now.
This is just a small part of the animal uproar.
Wow, guys. Well, I said wow, and then it popped up. Yes, go check out Wow TV. Hit them up, just see what they got going on over there. And I'm so confused, but that last little bit just, oh my gravy. I don't know. Wow. Okay, it had something great for us. Thank you guys again for coming back to finish this video with me, for hanging out. Down in the comment section, let me know what was your favorite clip out of this video, out of part 1. Like, wow, it was some good videos in there. It was some good clips, so I am excited. All right, guys, so I just want to thank you for tuning in one more time. I'm going to say that repeatedly until I get up off of here, but bear with me. Okay, so thank you guys. We're going to say peace. Remember to hit like, share, and subscribe.